Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And just like I promised you guys, I am bringing you the unveiling video for the Mystery Box Monday. And remember, that's how it works. On Monday, I go live. I show you I show you the box. I give you the clues to what all's in the box. Then you have opportunity to buy the box. The box ships out on Tuesday morning to whoever purchased it. Then on Friday at 8 o'clock, I show you the video of me putting everything in the box or taking everything out of the box. So in this video, I want to show you me taking everything out of the box because I had to make sure that everything fit in the box. And then once it was packed, I didn't want to take it out and then have to re-record and all that. So I just decided I would record taking it out and showing you. So this is the unveiling of the Total Body Makeover mystery box that you got the clues for on Monday. So you see I tore the box all up, opening it and closing it and things. So let me get it all the way open. And remember, the box retails for $108, but the person who bought the box only paid $30, and there are 22 items in there. So those are some of the clues. It's called the Total Body Makeover box. So let's see what comes out first. Stuff sliding out. I don't want it to slide out until I'm ready to show you guys. Okay, so the first thing that I brought out is 2 pair of exfoliating gloves. It's a green pair or aqua, turquoise, whatever color you want to call it, and a white pair. It helps exfoliate dry or dull skin. And it's a resealable pouch that you can keep them in. Okay, so that's the first thing. Okay, remember I gave you a clue that there were 2 things in here. Oh, stuff's falling out. I'm sorry, guys. 2 things in here that was for your entire body. Entire body makeover, both inside and out. So here are some vitamin D3 pills and some vitamin C. As women, vitamin D pills are very important for our bone and joint health, especially as we're getting older and our bones start to deteriorate and things. And of course, vitamin C is good for everyone. And remember, I did say also that this box could be purchased for a male or a female, but I said that 75% of the items in the box were probably more geared towards a woman. But a man could buy the box, take out what he wanted, and then give the rest as a gift or several gifts. So just wanted to tell you guys why I gave the clues that I gave. So that's that. I gave you a clue. I said there were things in here for every part of your body. So here's a Shea Moisture conditioning mask for your hair. Oh my God, stuff is just falling out. Okay, here is a bottle of baby oil. This is a travel size bottle of Johnson & Johnson baby oil. And what I normally do with this is keep this in my purse, especially during the summertime, because my feet tend to get ashy throughout the day. So this keeps my feet nice and oiled up and shined up. So that's that. Here is a little picture frame. So after you give yourself a total body makeover, you could take a picture of yourself, put it in here, and sit it on your desk, on your nightstand, wherever you want to put it, just to remind yourself of how beautiful you are. Here is a thing of nail polish with some glitter. I always say never let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, one of the clues was there were I think 6 things in here for your hand, your feet, and your in your hands. So this is one thing that was for your hands. This is one thing that's for your hands, your feet, your whole body. This is something that's for your hands, but I also put this on my elbows too. Here is a hyaluronic acid and vitamin C soothing eye gel mask. These are great. These are just the exact kind that they use like when you go to the spa. Here is a Revlon Kiss Balm. This is like a chapstick, a moisturizer for your lips. Here is a pair of nail scissors. One of the clues I gave was that something in here goes on 2 parts of your body and it's nice and fuzzy. So that clue could either go for these little fuzzy socks, which I love to wear around the house, especially when I get out of the shower or take a bubble bath. Or that clue could have went for these, for the exfoliating gloves, because these are fuzzy too. And these go on your hand and these go on your feet. So that means it goes on 2 parts of your body. Here is an avocado and collagen under eye sheet mask. More nail things, 3 different design emery boards. They're just fun. They have different designs and colors on them. Here are 2 travel size bottles of Cetaphil. One is a daily facial cleaner, and then this is a moisturizing lotion. So these are great, and although this is a travel size, it lasts a long time because you don't need a lot. You need like the size of a quarter when you use this, and the same with the lotion. If you guys haven't used Cetaphil, you're not familiar with Cetaphil. Then here's a hand sanitizer. I said that there was something in here that was electric and that went for your head, and that it was the biggest thing in the box, but it didn't, I said it was the heaviest thing in the box, but it wasn't the biggest thing. So here is a curling iron, Conair electric curling iron. Here is a travel size of Oil Valet body wash. And I really like these, especially when I'm traveling during the summer or for business and things, because these are like the perfect size and they smell so good. And I know that sometimes you go to hotels and they give you body wash and things, but my skin is so sensitive that a lot of the times those things still make me itch and make me break out. So I usually just bring my own. Here is a massaging pumice stone. Here is a bottle of Jason's body wash, and this is the rose water scent. Guys, this smells so good. And I know that I tell you guys that if you want a coupon or save money and things, you can't be brand loyal. I do love my Dove, and I'm able to coupon for that and get it on sale really, really cheap. But I introduced myself to the Jasons because Giant discontinued some of the different products in their soap hour, whatever, and they had the Jasons on clearance. And I purchased this, and oh my God, I fell in love with it. And guys, believe it or not, this Jasons costs more than Dove, and it smells yummy, and it will have your bathroom smelling yummy. Then here is a spa pillow. So one of the clues was there's something in there for you when you take a bath to use for your head. So you can simply put this up against your tub. You see there's the suction cups, and simply light a candle, lay your head back, put some relaxing music on, play some wine, have a nice relaxing bubble bath with your head relaxing on your spa pillow. Then we have a nail clip. It's just a little cutie with a little design print on it. And last but not least, you have a bottle of Shea Moisture bath. It's called olive and green tea. It smells really good. It's bath, body, and massage oil with avocado. So you can use this all over your body, or you can use it on someone else's body. Totally up to you. But guys, this was the total body makeover box that someone bought for $30. And again, remember, it retailed for $108. And I told you there were 22 items. So let's count our items. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I counted wrong, and I think there's 23. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. Yep, it's 23. So you got an extra item. So that is how Mystery Box Monday works, and that is how the unveiling works. So for those of you who missed out on Monday and you didn't have a chance to purchase the box, come back this Monday because we will have a brand new box. And remember, every Monday has a different theme, different items, different price point, different sizes. So this Monday will be something totally different. And there also will be a different number of boxes every week. So this week I had 2. Monday I may have 2, I may have 3, I may have 1. Every week is going to be different. So you want to make sure that you tune in so that you can take advantage. I really appreciate all of you guys' support. I appreciate you tuning in. Comment below and let me know what your favorite item is that I showed in this mystery box, that if you purchase this item will be your favorite item, or item that you would want to try or use all the time. And I will see you guys Monday. And until the next time, keep on saving.